Alright guys, I am at Shalani Carpet in Sungai Buloh looking for the floor carpet for the red color Celica. So we will re-upholster. Hey, now from this it looks more blue. Just now it looks not very blue. So I am going for this color. What do you guys think? Yeah, this color is good. Dark blue. Dark blue. So the prices are pretty okay. Yeah, the bosses here are also quite helpful. So you tell me, this one or this one? What do you think? So most likely we'll go for dark blue lah. It's just that which shade we are going for, and the material seems okay. Quality seems okay. It's not very thin. Most importantly, it needs to be pliable. And once we get that done, we will take it to the car and we'll try to stick it in. Yep. Alright, the carpets are here. Wow, this is quite long. Wow, as you can see, it's quite long, man. Apa yang buka semua, bos? Sikit je. Yep. Alright. Check it out, man. Nice. I think need to spray with some water, warm water, to make it a bit more pliable. May use a heat gun. I'm not sure. I don't have a heat gun, so hair dryer more likely. So I'm gonna fold it up, but when I bring back home, I'm gonna open it up so that it doesn't. Since the car is still being painted, so it's not ready to be done yet. All right, so that's the carpet. All right, let's see what fits inside the front of the frunk of a Porsche. Ta-da! You can fit an entire wheel of a Celica in the frunk of a Porsche. So, if you've been paying attention, alright, if you've been paying attention, what happened was there was a leak in the Toyota Celica's wheel that I bought, the tires that I bought. So I've taken it back to the shop, and they are trying to claim from me because it looks like a manufacturing problem. So if it's a manufacturing problem, then I will be able to claim it. In any case, what happens here is the shop gave me a second-hand tire to put it back on so that the paint shop can move the car around. So I'm bringing it back to them. This is a temporary solution. So let's go and drop it off at them. Boy, ni letak balik. Hari tu pecah punya. Alright, update time. I am here with the car, as you can see. There's a lot of stripping done at the back. 40-year-old car, when you start stripping, there's definitely things to do. So, some parts of it has been stripped to the metal. Yeah, to get the desired surface. Prepping is the most important thing. The entire front end of the hood has to be stripped. The bottom is stripped as well, as you can see. Bottom is stripped. And all of this surface have to be prepped. They have to be prepped and primed and anti-rusted before. There was a little bit of a rust here that was sorted out. You can see a small hole here that sorted out. There are some parts that they haven't done. As you can see down there, it's also stripped. There's some parts they haven't done. There's a bit of a work here that they needs to be done. Yeah, the roof was stripped. Quite a bit of filler. Yeah, quite a bit of filler. So all of this needs to be stripped and then worked on. Then only we'll get a good surface. All right. You can see the colors that came before. You have a green or a black, man. The colors that came before. Some of this, you can see the colors here more clearly. You can see this is most likely, can't tell, primer, paint, primer, paint, primer, paint, filler, paint, filler. 40-year-old car, man. A bit of a chameleon. But it's staying red this time, and we are keeping it red. Alright, signing out.